except hood. 4 whips, wax on, wax off.
Yo, what's going on, folks? Real quick, as you can see, we have the Philthy Rebel, the super torque clipper right in front of me. This is actually my second pair. We're gonna change the bracket on this, but before we get into that, if you're not subscribed, please subscribe, comment, like if you like, dislike if you don't like. Happy New Year. This is the first video of the new year. We're just gonna do something quick because this, as y'all can see, is my favorite clipper. If y'all watch my clippers of the year from last year, this is the clipper that I said everybody should get. As y'all know, I go back and forth with certain clippers on maybe you should get it, maybe you shouldn't get, but this is the one that I said if you had the opportunity, you should get the clipper. This is the Stylecraft Rebel. Beautiful. This is my second pair. My other one is at the shop at the moment, but a lot of folks have been questioning about the stretch bracket. I have not used the stretch bracket, which the stretch bracket is it's a Philthy Blendz bracket, and it helps it stretch from the regular opening, as y'all can see here, and it opens it up to a number 1. So we're going to, hopefully, I don't need nothing crazy except for my screwdriver. Where is it at? Here we go. Stretch bracket. I'm gonna move this to the side. I don't need this right now. And while we're here, we might actually go ahead and change the lid to this one, to the black and red. All right, put that to the side here. You can see beautiful clipper from Stylecraft. Now to change this bracket, we are gonna need to take off the blade and the lever. No, I'm gonna keep that lever on there. I was about to say maybe I'll change the lever too, but I'm gonna keep the lever if I'm gonna change it to the red and black. So we're gonna go ahead and start with taking off this blade here. This is your first step. They got me on here tight. Ooh, that's tight on there. Give me a second, that's tight.
A few moments later.
All right, so I ran and got my own screwdriver because this screwdriver usually works for this, but these boys is on here tight. So we're gonna go ahead and take this blade off. As y'all can see, it does come with the fade blade, the Stylecraft Fusion blade. Love that blade. And as you can see, it comes with that thin cutting blade. See the teeth in there. Set that to the side. And you're not gonna need that click lever mechanism, because once you put that stretch bracket on there, it's gonna open too wide to use the stretch bracket. I mean the click lever, so it's not gonna be needed. So you're gonna slide this just right off. As you can see, boom. Wiggle that thing on down. There's your bracket. 4 holes, universal. Stylecraft Gamma, real good for that. They're awesome with the universal blades, and as you know, they work with Philthy Blendz to give you all kinds of options of blades and let you do all kind of modifications. So here's the stretch bracket. Just gonna slide that right up on there. Make sure you're matched up. Like I said, you're not gonna need that click lever. You don't need to change anything from here. Boom. Put everything back into place real quick. It's not a long process at all, but some has asked about how to do it. How long does it take? Is it worth it? I'm not really a fan of the stretch bracket, of really using something to open up too wide, but as you can see, That's why you don't use the click lever. That's where you're gonna start at. That's where it will open up. Boom. You open it up all the way from there, right? So you wanna tighten your lever back up. Then you're gonna put your blade back on. Make sure you put your cutting blade back on first. Got everything matched up. And when you put your blade back down, I'm not gonna really zero gap them, but I am gonna get it pretty close. So I'm just gonna put it on for now to kind of put everything in place, but not really tighten it all up.
Damn it, Tito. Another one?
Now that I got it where I got it, not really zero gap, but pretty close. I'm gonna go ahead and tighten my blade on up. Make sure everything stay in place. They can move, they will move. And as you can see, if you can see that, that's at black on black, so it's hard to see, but everything closed up. And we got a wider open. Beautiful. And while we're here, why not go ahead and change the plate? And boom, there we go. Full swap. Finally swapped off one of my plates for the red and black, like I said I would. Got the stretch bracket on there. Philthy Blendz Stylecraft. Full opening. Now we're ready to go. I'll get back with y'all and let y'all know if this really was worth the swap, if it actually cuts like a, let's say, an Andy's Master with the full opening, or a Legend with the wide opening all the way up to a 1. As y'all can see, it does open very wide. All right, so that's how you swap out your bracket, put the stretch bracket on. And while we was at it, that's how you swap the faceplate for your Stylecraft Rebel. If you're not subscribed, please subscribe. If you like the videos, thumbs up the videos. If you dislike the videos, thumbs down the videos. Comment, share, you know, stay engaged, and we'll be back with another video very soon. Happy New Year's to everyone. We are almost to the 5,000 subscribers. The giveaway is very close. See, I got tongue tied there. Very close. You see that? The click lever wouldn't even work. All right. Now we out. Happy New Year's. Peace.